Hallgrimskirkja Church, located in Reykjavik, Iceland, is a prominent landmark and a must-visit attraction for tourists. This iconic church stands tall at 74 meters and is the largest church in Iceland. Its unique architectural design, reminiscent of the country's volcanic landscapes, makes it a fascinating sight to behold. The drone allows you to take aerial photographs and demonstrate the majesty of Hallgrimskirkja Church from above. The Hallgrimskirkja Church landscape offers breathtaking views of Reykjavik and its surroundings. Visitors can take an elevator ride to the top of the church's tower, where they can enjoy panoramic vistas of the cityscape, mountains, and the stunning coastline. Tourism around Hallgrimskirkja Church has flourished due to its cultural significance and architectural beauty. Many travelers are drawn to its towering presence and are eager to explore its interior as well. Inside the church, visitors will find a serene atmosphere with beautiful stained glass windows and an impressive pipe organ.